Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the secondary mad. The second type of mad, as we have said, we have the natural mad and secondary mad. Secondary mad has two types. Secondary mad due to Hamza and secondary mad due to Sukoon. In this video we are gonna talk about the secondary mad due to Hamza. Secondary mad due to Hamza has three types of mad: Mad Muttasil, Mad Munfasil and Mad Badal. The first one is Mad Muttasil, and this inshallah that we are gonna talk about it in this class inshallah. If you wanna know, let's start. Mad Muttasil or connection mad, it means when the letter of mad is followed by Hamza, which is present in the same word, the reader should stretch his sound 4 or 5 harakas, and this type of mad we called it as obligatory mad. Okay, why we called it as obligatory mad? Because you can't stretch it with 2 harakas like natural mad. So you must stretch your sound 4 or 5 harakas. Let's see some examples. When I say sha, okay, we have alif mad followed by Hamza, which is present in the same word. So we have connection mad or mad muttasil. So I'll stretch my sound 4 or 5 harakas. So I can say sha or sha. Okay, so you can count it by your hand. So you can count these harakas, as we have said, by your fingers. You can say sha. Okay, 5 harakas. Okay, sha. Okay, and this is at the beginning. Inshallah, after practice more and more, inshallah, and extensively, you can see it without your fingers. When I say an-nasi, an-nasi, so we have ya mad followed by Hamza, which is present in the same word. So we have connection mad or mad muttasil. When I say bisu, yeah, you can listen to this sound. Yeah, we have wow followed by Hamza. Bisu. Yeah, this is the connection mad or mad muttasil because we have wow mad followed by Hamza, which is present in the same word. So I'll stretch my sound 4 or 5 harakas. I want to tell you something, that we have some words, if you see it during the recitation of Quran, you will consider it as connection mad or mad muttasil, but actually it's not mad muttasil. Okay, let's see it. When I say Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, Ya ayyuha. Okay, we have 2 words, not the same word. Ya, this is a separate word, and ayyuha, so it's not connection mad. When I say ha-ula, ha and ula, okay, we have alif mad, okay, in ha and Hamza in ula, so it's not connection mad. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of connection mad, and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all I can see inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.